Alright, so we are at Black Hills, and we have this Bryant Evolution is producing a steam show. I don't know if you can see that, but it's steaming. Sweet, my first ever defrost cycle, and it's a steam show. Awesome. As you can see, it's dripping down here. It's freezing rain out right now. Sorry, I'm shaking. I'm just so happy now. Look at that. Didn't I just happen to come here at the perfect time? My first ever defrost cycle. It goes dripping down here. That's hotter coming out of the top. This Bryant is running. Yeah, I just walked up to this and it's steaming, so. Look at that steam. Awesome. Now this unit is even more special to me than it was. Oh, there it goes. Wow, it's making like a moaning sound. Right, it's probably about to kick back into heat mode. Yeah, now this unit is even more special to me since this is my first ever defrost. And there it goes. Well, finally I caught a defrost. I'm really happy right now. Then this one is kind of frozen up. Maybe I'll get a steam show from this one as well.
So it's my birthday today, and we're taking a look at the units in my own neighborhood. And right here we have a Trane 2.5-ton Trane XC1000 weather heat pump. Remember all these units from when I used to live here when I was little, because they climate tough reciprocating compressor. Let's see, manufacturing date February of '96. Trane XC1000. And here there's a Armstrong Air Concept 1000 heat pump right here. There's the energy guide's all worn up. It's bounced up on legs, surprisingly. See, it's Armstrong Air. Listed section of heat pump. Cringey. Not sure. That one, I believe, has a Copeland scroll compressor. And then there's a Carrier right here. These are all heat pumps. Carrier Comfort Series unit. I believe this is from 2017. It says AirEase right here, which is weird. Here there's a Bryant unit from 2014. Bryant Legacy Light, I believe. Let's see. Manufactured date January 2014. It's 2.5 ton. And here there's a thermal cell. Assembled in Mexico. Then there's a Trane XL 1200 super high efficiency weather truck. These units are beasts. from February '98. Yeah, it's nice unit. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.
Here we have a Trane heat pump that's apparently defrosting right now at my middle school. Thought this was a straight cool unit, but I guess not. Oh, it's running on a low ambient kit. Okay, so it's running on a low ambient kit. Cool. Alright, anyways, over now. Alright, well, there was the startup of this Bryant Evolution at Black Hills. And this is going to be my last video of it for the winter. And I've honestly decided that this type of air conditioner, like the Carrier Infinity Bryant Evolution, Comfort Maker Soft Sounds, my favorite type of air conditioner design. I love the sound this unit makes. It's getting nice and warm. So, yeah, anyways, over now.
Screw compressor. It's 2.5 ton from 2003. Okay, so I just found some very cool finds. I was just like going to the back. Hopefully I don't get busted, but I was just going to the back. And I found these two vintage Carrier units. That is so cool. And then here's the Lennox. Nice unit, Lennox series. And this is a yeah, very nice units. And here's a good one. The Copeland Scroll. Sweet. And then there are two more over here. There's a pile. 3 ton. And here's this one, I'm not sure. Oh, this is a green room. Yeah, very cool units. I'm glad I'm back here. Right, anyways, over now.
Okay, here's a startup from this AirEase Concept 1000 heat pump. I was originally going to do a startup of this carrier, but this turns on, so I figured this will be good enough. Just kind of rattling. So yeah, anyways, over now. There's the startup of this thing. I was gonna use my GoPro, except it didn't really work out. So yeah, this is the first time I've ever seen it run. And my own meters are actually going to be replacing this with a Bryant and Carrier or a Comfort Nature performance unit sometime soon. So I figured before it gets replaced, I want to see this turn on. So yeah, there it is. So this Mitsubishi just went into defrost. Alright, let's see if we'll get a steam show. We came here just in time. It's kind of frozen up, so. Yeah, this is I've never seen a mini split defrost before, and this is my second defrost I've gotten this winter, so that's good. Oh, it's steaming. Actually, I think that was just my breath. Yeah. Oh, and in there, it's like, that I saw the reversing valve for a second, but it wasn't. Yeah, it's making like a moaning sounds right now. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's steaming. You know what, is this thing... Alright, well, that was my second defrost cycle for this winter. It wasn't no steam or anything, but yeah, this has been a pretty good winter so far. My goal is to get one more. I mean, it's February 23rd today, so it just kicked back into heat mode, so yeah, my goal is to get up to one more defrost. It's February 23rd, so hopefully that'll happen. So yeah, there's a defrost from a Mitsubishi. So yeah, anyways, over now. Okay, so we are at this apartment complex, and here's a GMC unit. don't think I've ever filmed one of these before. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It is a 13 SEER. There's the data. Then here are a few janitorial units. This one's got a Bristol compressor. Then there's the data. This one has actually recently been running. And then here are a few more here. So yeah. Okay, so filmed it just in time. Here's a janitorial that just shut off. Yeah, that's really cold. And then these all are from 1998. Yeah. And then these are just a bunch of janitorials here. Yeah, and then this one is slanted, so that's probably gonna die very soon. So, yeah. A Bryant unit, I think. Bristol compressor. It's a heat pump. Oh yeah, this is a vintage Bryant. Here's this refrigerator when it's starting up. Oh yeah, I never found one of these vintage Bryant units, so that's pretty cool. It's from 1989 and it's 310. And here's a Carrier base model Copeland scroll compressor. It's a heat pump and it's from 2009. It's 410. Then here's this Carrier base model with the Copeland scroll compressor. And the data sheet's faded, but it's from 2007 and it's 510. Here's this Bryant here. Then we have two more. Okay, this one has a Bristol compressor. I don't know where the data sheet is on this one. Oh, here you go. From 1988, and it's a 1.5 ton. And then here's this one. It's 1.5 ton from 1988. Yeah, really nice. Alright, over now. Alright, here's a really big Carrier Comfort Series heat pump. with the Copeland straw. I wish some of these would be running, but yeah. Okay, it's a 5-ton from 2005. It has not been running. Then here's this Carrier Gemini, but I really just care about the Carrier 10,000. Here's a Friedrich mini split. Oh, this is cool. There was one of these at my elementary school that was for the gym office, except it was on the roof, so I couldn't film it. And this sounds exactly like the AirEase Concept 1000 heat pump at my old neighborhood. Oh, sweet. This is actually really cool. That's cold and sweaty, and the liquid line is also cold and sweaty. That's kind of weird. It's from 1995.